Hello, welcome to my channel. And we're in cinematic mode. Woohoo! Alright. Anyways, I got some stuff from Temu today. I got this here. It is for luggage racks that I want to put on the side of the 79 motorcade. I'd like to do a camping trip. So I need to find a trailer as well that I can pull. I'd like to do kind of like a road trip. I guess it would be a back road trip with the trailer. I don't know. I'll see what I can find anyways. Maybe make a camper or something. Anyways, so there's the idea. To find the original ones for this is pretty hard to find. I guess I could look on Treatland, but I have looked on Treatland and I can't seem to find the luggage racks to put the bags on. Of course, like metal bags, not like leather or anything like that. Anyways, and hopefully they're matching. Or I can maybe, I don't know, auto wrap them like that, but I don't really want to. Rather have them blue. Anyway, stay tuned. That's the next upgrade to this. I'm looking for metal bags that aren't too big, that aren't too small either. So, we'll see. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.